look, folks, if you've ever wanted to own your own lake place without having to clean the gutters, mow the yard, or get that raccoon off your dock at 7 o'clock in the morning, your dreams are about to come true. We're at Duncan Bridge Condos here on Smith Lake. 3rd floor condo, community pool, boat slip included, fully furnished. Hang in there with me. Hey there, I'm Jacob Sanders with ERA Byars Realty here on Smith Lake, and today we're going to be touring a Duncan Bridge condo right here, right next to Duncan Bridge and Duncan Bridge Marina on the Jasper side of Smith Lake, just across from Arley. This is going to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo being sold fully furnished. Comes with a boat slip and a community pool, along with some amenities that most condo communities have as far as grill areas and common areas and whatnot. It's currently going to be listed at $419,000, and I can't wait to show it to you. So it's going to be located in Building 3. So we're going to go here to Building 3, but we do have Building 1 here in the middle. We have Building 2, and we have Building 3 right here. Very pretty easy to get to. So if you're coming from Memphis, Nashville, Huntsville, Birmingham, easy, accessible to get to. You're 10 minutes away from grocery stores and some small restaurants, and if you're 15 minutes away from downtown Jasper, where you've got access to pretty much anything you need to have. So this will be a great one to look at, and I'm excited about showing it to you. So let's go look. Okay, so we are about to go in right here on this condo right here at Duncan Bridge. Now we're in Building 3, and one thing I like about this unit is this is an end unit right here, as we see. So we've got some other condos right here, but this one's going to be on the end. So you do not have anybody on your right side right there that it's going to be in this particular unit. So we're going to go in and take a look. So we are right here. Now most of these 3 bedrooms are going to be set up very similar. They may be, the floor plans may be flip-flopped around of where you're at, and this one goes this way, but you got some that may go this way. But they're going to be similar layouts. Some of them will have some more features as far as some of the amenities it has, maybe the types of flooring or countertops, and even furnishings for that matter. So, but as we come in, we see this does have a tile flooring in here, and they've got a nice little setup. And again, a reminder, this is going to be sold fully furnished as well. So when we come in, we're going to pass a bedroom. We're actually going to pass 2 bedrooms before we get into the living area. But to my left right here, as you see these doors, this is actually the laundry room. We'll go ahead and just get this part knocked out for sure. So a nice sized laundry room that does have the little closet doors right here. So it makes it look as if it kind of blends in with the wall, as you can see. So that part is sort of closed off. That's actually a nice room. And to our right here is going to be a bedroom and a bathroom. This will be your guest bathroom for the hall, for the two bedrooms right there. So as this bathroom right here, this has got just a single sink vanity and a toilet, and your tub is kind of the fiberglass insert right there on the shower tub combo. And then coming to our left right here, they've got 2 twin beds set up in here. Getting some nice decor as well. This is a good sized room, so if you wanted to take out the 2 twin beds, if you wanted to put a queen bed right there, or you could even turn this around right here. This is longer this way than it is that way, so you could make this a king bed or turn the beds around however you want to do it right there. And this looks out, I didn't open the blinds, this looks out towards the parking lot, so you probably did not come here to see this tour to see the parking lot of where you would park. And then a nice sized closet as well. Alright, so we're going to go out of here and we're going to take a right. We'll go through here to our next bedroom, which is going to be here on the right. They've also got 2 twin beds set up in here as well. So the bedrooms themselves have carpets. Just a note on that. So all the bedrooms do have carpet, and the carpet is clean. So there's not any filthy carpet that you might see in some places. And coming out right here, we see coming to our kitchen and our living room. So to our left right here will be a nice little pantry. They're not using it as a pantry, obviously, but that is what this is for. And this setup right here is really nice because it's all open to the living area. These are 9-foot ceilings in here. And this is not the top floor unit. There's got one more floor above us right there. We'll make it a top floor unit. But this is super nice. This is Corian countertops right here. And I love how this overlooks the living area right there, which is pretty large living area. And you've got the lake in the background. So makes for a nice view. Great natural light coming out of there. And love this. It's a large kitchen, so plenty of countertop space. Does have a nice bar area right there. So they got the nice little bar stools. And sort of a raised offset bar as well. You got stainless appliances. Again, just very pretty. Very neatly set up. And your little dining area right here, as well as your sofa and your chairs. You know, just a great setup. Perfect place for a lake spot. I mean, you can live here full time. There are a few people that live here full time, but a lot of people use these as weekend places. And then coming off this room right here will be our master bedroom to the left. So I'm going to take you through here, and the bedroom part of this master suite is going to be on the right here. So that is a king size bed, very big. I mean, it's really big enough to put at least 2 queens if you wanted to double up. Not that you want to double up, but if you wanted just to, if bodies are more important than who sleeps where, then this would be a good spot to put more than just one bed. So very big room, nice ceiling fans. We do have the can lights throughout. And they've even got them a little chair in there to sit. And then coming from here to our right here will be a nice walk-in closet. You can see right there. And coming out of that, right here will be the bathroom. We do have a linen closet right here. This is locked, but they do have a linen closet and double sink vanity. And they do have just a walk-in shower right there. And the tub right here in the corner. And tucked back right here will be the toilet. So if you wanted to put a door there, you could certainly add a door there for a little privacy if you wanted that. All right, and then of course we do have for the bathroom linen closet here. All right. So let's go take a look at the lake view from the balcony here. Okay, so we're going out to this balcony. These are new patio doors, by the way. These are very nice. They look kind of like the hurricane style that you would see at the beach. They're actually here on the lake. So, and come out here, and I'm telling you, you're talking about an outstanding view of Smith Lake. As you got it right here. You got a nice large balcony right here. This comes off that particular one comes off the master bedroom. You can walk right out from it or right here. They just got a great setup. And but the views here are just absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to just sort of walk around right here and so you can see a little bit more. This does have a community pool, and you can barely just sort of see the corner of that. You can see the corner of the patio, but it does have the community pool there. And the one thing to note where we are is right over here beside us to the right is Duncan Bridge. Again, that's hence Duncan Bridge Condos. That's where we are. And to the left, that's going to be going north to get your Clear Creek is a couple miles up on the left, and Brushy Creek is a little bit farther beyond that. And you will not get sunset views here because the sunset actually is over behind us here. But you will get the early morning sunrise, so a beautiful sunrise sky that you might see in the morning. So this is really pretty. Very nice place. Again, the views hard to beat for sure. Alrighty, so let's go down and show you the pool area and also where your boat dock will be, because you do have a slip. You do have a boat slip that does come with this, so just keep that in mind. That does come with that. We're headed from the elevators right there, and we're going to walk right through here so you can see some of the amenities that you have here with this resort. So again, I think if you know me well enough, you know that I love views and lake views, and you've got an outstanding lake view and a great spot. So looking to the right here, we've got a community pool, and as you see, Duncan Bridge. The marina is right on the other side of Duncan Bridge right there, so that's going to be a easy, convenient place to launch your boat. If you do have some friends with boats, it's going to bring their boat here, they would just launch it right there. All right, so this will be the spot for your boat slip that goes with this condo is actually going to be the farthest out. The last slip out that's closest to the lake, so it's very convenient to get to, easy to get to from there. So as you can see right here, we're coming up on just a beautiful community pool. It's just a great place. It's all you people who like to enjoy the lake but not get out there and swim, or don't have a boat and don't want to swim around the docks right there. You got a great spot for a swimming place as well. So, and just nice little areas. They have little grills around here, so you can grill out for you and your family if you want to do that. And but it's just very well maintained, absolutely beautiful here, extremely nice. And just to show you where we are in relation to where the unit is, you're going to be the top floor. Get it right there, and that is the third building. I know this all looks like it's connected, but we just walked through that little entrance part right there. So we're right around there. That's where we are. So very pretty. And let's go take a step down to where you'll be, and you'll see a little bit more of a view. Again, so we do have just a great view right here. This is the main channel of the lake. It runs north and south. So you're going south, going that way along the lake. A nice little fire pit area. So if you have teenagers, anybody who wants to come out here, anybody that loves a good build a good fire, you can have that here. So just really, really pretty views right here. So all these boat slips, most of these condos come with a boat slip. Some come with two. This one comes with one. And the boat slip on the condo that we just toured right here that's for sale does come with one, and it's on the very last end of that particular unit right there. So easy access to get into for sure. So once again, my name is Jacob Sanders. I'm with ERA Byars Realty here on Smith Lake. And this condo here is a Duncan Bridge condo. This is currently listed at $419,000, being sold completely furnished. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Yeah, we do have the boat slip. You got access to community pools. The community pool, and one of the best, really the most well-known, one of the most well-known, if not the most well-known location on all the lake, which is Duncan Bridge. So it's a landmark here on the lake. Hey, I'd love to be able to help you. If you have any questions about this condo or any other condos here, you want to take a look, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text. My number is 205-369-2803. You can also visit this condo and anything else here on Smith Lake on my website. It's jacobsandershomes.com, where you can find all available info that you need on Smith Lake. And if you don't see info that you have questions about on the website, be sure to please call me or text me with any questions that you might have. And look, don't do any buying or selling without calling me first. So if you'll just do that, that'll be great. Hey, I want to be your go-to resource for everything Smith Lake. So if you have any questions, give me a call. And before we go, if you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to keep bringing you Smith Lake home tours every week. Hey, have a great day. Have a great week. We look forward to seeing you on the water here soon. Take care.